Welcome back to Blue Jay Bonsai. James and I are out enjoying the fall or autumn colors, but we do have a purpose. I'm driving James back to university after Thanksgiving, and we've decided to take a detour to visit our friend Matt. I'm sure you've seen Matt's amazing edsel and his workshop on Nigel's channel recently, so I'm not going to bore you and show everything all over again. And it looks like I'm definitely welcome here at Matt because he likes the Toronto Blue Jay. Zzz. Blue Jay jokes aside, things are a little different here in Matt's greenhouse since you saw it on Nigel's channel. He's moved many things in here, including his Penjing forest with the little foxes. Can't wait to see this one in the KW Bonsai show. I had one of these and I killed it. I left it out for the winter. Like I buried it, but outside I thought it should be fine. Died.
Well, I'm hoping to keep it in here around the 0 mark.
It'll survive. This is from the trip?
Yes.
So this is Matt's entry into the $50 Bonsai Challenge. Matt is launching his own YouTube channel, which is where you'll be able to see his $50 Bonsai Challenge. Stay tuned for details.
So
it's pretty cool.
And this is my option 2, if it's not cheating.
No.
Already pre-done.
Oh. It's a good price. Less than 50, but I think that's cheating.
That's what I thought.
So this is the second stand that Matt's made for my spooky Fukian. Made it a little bit smaller so it could stand on its own without an accessory. It's very similar to the first one, but I love these new rounded curved legs. That's really cool, Matt. And oh, there's a nice pop of color there. That's a good idea. I like that. Really good job. Thank you so much, Matt. Oh, he's so cute. So here we are back at home in the nest. And as you can see, I have my spooky Fukian on the new stand that Matt has made for us. And I think this time it fits perfectly. Thank you, Matt. So next up is this box that I just received in the mail. As you can see, if you can read upside down, it's come from the US Postal Service. So I actually had just cut it open and I took a little peek just a little earlier. And now we can share. Because inside is, wow. This, my friends, is from Candace and Emily at the channel Bonsai Science. This is an amazing little bonsai stand. I remember commenting on this one, or one just like it, on Candace's channel, how much I really like the live edge here. And so this is from Candace and Emily. And I just am speechless. I don't know how to thank you for this amazing little stand. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. And for anyone who was wondering, if you notice a pot or stand a little bit unstable on my blue table, it's because the table is warped. Not the stand, not the pot. So that will be something to fix in the spring. So just for fun, I've thrown my Barbados cherry that I got from my friend Mario up here on the stand. I think the Barbados cherry, since it's more of a semi-cascade, needs a different style of stand, but I really wanted to just throw something up here and give it a try. Next try is with my Desert Rose. This is again something I got from Mario. This is one I will show in an upcoming video where I chop the roots, chop the top, and let it grow out again. And hopefully in the spring this thing will have lots of flowers. I actually really like it on this stand. This of course is one of the Artisan Works or Wayne's pots, which I just absolutely love. So yeah, I think this looks really great on here. So once again, I'm sure anything would look great on here. So once again, thank you, Candace and Emily. So next up is this other box that just came through. And this one is all the way from the UK. And I actually have not peeked any further inside. So you're going to see everything exact same time as me. It does have this lovely card, which I did, or note that I did see. So this says, surprise! Jay, hope this reaches you in one piece. Looking forward to seeing what you plant in it. Kind regards, Jason Hanrahan. That's right, it's my friend Jason. Sure as heck guess what it's going to be, and I from the right. Bonsai garden. It is. I can feel it's going to be a nice bonsai pot. All right. I can start to see it already. Wow. Oh my heavens. What? Wow. Can you see this? Look at that texture. Wow. We do have a chop here. I'm not sure whose chop it is. Wow, wow. So I had been talking to Jason about getting some pots from a local UK potter, and I was going to send them to his place for him to send on. I held off on that since we have the shows coming up, and I wanted to save my money for any local purchases first. Wow, I'm going to have to check with you, Jason, which potter you got this from, if it was Funky Fish or not. This is just fantastic. Once again, I'm speechless. Thank you so much. So maybe one day we will see this combination with this pot, some tree yet to be determined, and this stand. Fantastic. I'm in love. And next up is a present to myself. That's right. This is a t-shirt from the Pacific Bonsai Expo, the Pacific Bonsai Expo 2022. So I ordered this from Jonas and Eric. They are putting this exhibition on, and if you're able to get to it, I would highly recommend it. I wish I could make it. It's coming up in November. You probably all know Jonas from his amazing beginner's book, The Little Book of Bonsai. It's one of the first books I got when I started. Jonas has also been a regular guest speaker at the Toronto Bonsai Society several times. His Bonsai Tonight blog is just chock full of information. And of course you all know Eric from his channel, Bonsai-Fi. If you're not already subscribed, I really suggest you do. And on that topic, I have found another new channel to subscribe to. It is Becoming Tree-ish by Vince. He recently did a great video where he unboxed some pots from Bonsai-Fi and Eric. I highly recommend you check it out. Thanks again for joining us on this quick update video. The next one will be of the Toronto Bonsai Society Show and Sale. Can't wait. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.